so you barely get with them.
Hey, what did you think of the rapids?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
I like it.
You're soaking wet.
You are too.
I know. I'm glad. Hey, Luke, this counts as a ride, right?
No.
An attraction? It's a show. There's a monkey.
Yeah, I'm on 172 there.
Luke, what are you doing? Luke, you're 6. You can't drive yet. Where'd you find dinosaurs? We're not gonna have room for them. They're not gonna get along with the cats. You're out of your mind. Where'd you go? Luke, where are you? You're not even driving right. Kevin! What do you got back there? A Yeti backpack and a monster sticking out? That's so cool.
I got that plushie.
Yeah. And the Triceratops you won too?
Yeah.
Having a good day at Animal Kingdom?
Yeah.
All right. What are these guys? Swans. You said 75 rides and shows in their challenge. What do you think?
I don't think we're gonna make it.
You don't think so?
No.
So you think Daddy's gonna take a pie in the face?
It's just because we skipped a lot of
You skipped a lot at Universal and a few things here and there. A lot of the shows at Epcot.
Yes.
Most of the rides, but the shows you skipped a lot.
We skipped a lot of it.
That's all right. It's more about having fun. Let's check out this waterfall over here. Luke, where are we finally going to eat for lunch?
Olivia's.
Yeah, you hyped?
Not really.
No? Well, at least you're honest. Luke, what happened? What do we have on the porch?
Snake out
A
there.
snake.
Look.
Maybe you're a Slytherin after all, Lukey.
Oh no, that ant. There's an ant out there that's dead. That ant is dead.
Hey, go away. Go away.
Don't come in the house.
Must be a deaf snake, Luke. He's not listening.
That was thunder again.
Stupid snake, go away.
Look at the camera.
something.